go up to Coeur Lane, and our buyer actually purchased this house, and we're actually closing on this next week.
Yep.
The first time we've seen the house. I've seen pictures, of course, when we bought it. That kind of approved the purchase. Like I said, we don't close yet, so the owners graciously allowed us to go in early. It is vacant, and look around. So I just want to kind of get a lay of the house and see what it's like. So.
Wow, big backyard.
Thanks for nobody's been here. So, like I said, I've never been in this house.
First time in, yeah.
I found it downstairs. You ready?
I'm ready. Maybe. Uh-oh. It's making the sounds. Woo! Downstairs. Okay.
So we have a furnace from the 1980s, which we'll replace. We have a panel of a part have to address. A washer and dryer, which is vintage, which will probably go. We have just
What is that room?
yeah, bathroom there.
What's behind door number
That's the garage.
2?
We'll go there in a sec.
That's a big bathroom.
Big little leak in the plumbing. So we got some plumbing to do, but we'll fix this nice. We'll probably make a living room and office down here. Place some
So we're
windows.
gonna finish the basement.